Hey, my name is Tiara. I'm also known as the Pretty Girl Investor, and many of you know that I just hosted my very first event for Pretty Women in Real Estate. And one thing that comes up all the time is how you present yourself. So today's challenge is very, very simple. Can I create networking event worthy looks using SHEIN finds with only $10? And more importantly, would I actually wear them out? So if you'd like to search any of these looks, make sure you search this code on SHEIN. I'll also have them pinned in the comments and in the description below. Let's get into it. So my first impression of this outfit, the same one that I have on today, is I love the color. My favorite color is blue. The fit is gorgeous. It's not too tight. It's comfortable. You can dress this look up anytime, put on some heels, put on some jewelry, and I feel like this is the type of dress that you can dress up or you can dress down. So the questions that I'm asking myself is, could I wear this to a networking event, a conference, or a meeting, or just to grab some coffee? My answer is I would give this look a 7 out of 10. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. Now this one is very cute. As you see, I wore this look to the park. It's giving a little bit of cleavage, but I feel like not too much. It was so comfortable. It was so cute. But I give this look a 8 out of 10. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. Talk about that girl when you walk in the room. I would definitely wear this one somewhere professional, to a meeting. It just gives feminine. It just gives girl power, boss. Yes, yes, yes. I give this one a 10 out of 10, y'all. And if you like this dress or any of the dresses that I put on the screen so far, make sure you go and search this code on SHEIN. I'm trying to tell you, they're around $10 and they are so affordable. One thing about me is that I've always loved getting dressed up. I mean, whether it's for content, an event, a networking mixer, or just because I've always believed that when you look good, you feel good. And as someone who's building businesses and constantly meeting new people, I love finding pieces that make me feel confident, but without spending a fortune. I wanted to see if pieces around the $10 range could actually be styled into outfits that I would genuinely wear in real life. And something else I've learned in entrepreneurship is that sometimes people think you need to spend a lot of money in order to look polished. But honestly, I think style is more about how you put things together rather than how much money you spend. Because sometimes people be spending a lot of money and they don't know how to style their clothes. Or they may have like a basic outfit and just have like a designer bag. And the designer bag be cute, but the outfit, it doesn't match the designer. So, mind you, I personally never wear designer, but the outfits, they're gonna eat down every time, okay? I promise you that. So when I'm looking for outfits to wear to business events, I'm looking at these 3 things. Number 1, would I actually wear this, okay? So I'm not just buying an outfit to wear around the house. I want to see if I would actually wear this, because what may look good on somebody else may not look good on me. 2, would I feel confident in it? Mind you, I've had 3 kids and I want to feel comfortable and confident in the outfits that I'm wearing. So I'm very mindful about what I put on and how it looks on my body type. And number 3, would I wear it again? Okay, let me just say this, because some people, especially women, we're in this mindset of only wearing pieces one time for the gram, for social media. If there's an event that requires me to be really, really dressed up, I'm probably not going to go for like a ballroom type of gown because I want to wear it again. So I'm going to go for something more fitted, because if a different event comes up, I may want to wear that outfit again. Now let's go ahead and talk about this outfit right here on the screen. When I tell you this outfit it's giving boss, okay? In summertime, fine. Y'all, like, I wore this dress when I went to go look at this apartment building that was for sale. And, I mean, body tee, outfit tee. You can't tell me nothing wearing this dress, okay? I mean, just look at it. This is what I'm saying. When y'all are going out and we're going you know, to real estate appointments. We want to look nice, but it doesn't always have to be tight. It doesn't always have to be, you know, boobs out, cleavage showing, butt showing. Not to knock anybody's style and how they do social media and their algorithm and what works for them. Not judging, but my personal go-to will always be SHEIN. It's not only affordable, but it's comfortable. And when I go out to these appointments, when I'm showing homes, when I'm meeting clients, when I'm in the field with it, I want to wear things that is comfortable, okay? It's not super tight on me. It doesn't make me feel uncomfortable. That's what I'm going for. A lot of you may know that I just finished my 75-hour pre-licensing class in order to get my North Carolina real estate license. And y'all, I'm now looking for brokerages after I passed my state and national exam to work with. So I actually had an appointment with a brokerage. We actually went out and we met at a restaurant. It was very nice setting and I learned so much. I say all that to say this, I looked good, okay? Let's start there first. I looked good in my SHEIN outfit, okay? Very classy, very demure. And I showed up dressed to impress. So please don't sleep on these $10 fits. I'm trying to tell you, because I found my brokerage this day. I know exactly who I'm going to work with. And I'm trying to tell you, if you're loving these looks, especially for business purposes, you need to use this code, search this code on SHEIN. This is another outfit that I picked out. I picked this out because it was very fun. It was very flowy. It looked very comfortable, and all their things are comfortable. But as far as wearing this to, like I said, meet a client or actually do business, I probably wouldn't wear this outfit for that. You can dress this outfit up. I just wore this outfit as something to put on, running errands, you know, because you still like to look cute when you're outside running errands and you're making your store runs and things like that. You still want to dress to impress because you never know who you're going to run into. So this outfit was very fun, but business-wise, networking-wise, I probably wouldn't wear this outfit for that specific occasion. All in all, y'all, shop the looks. Shop SHEIN. Use this code. When you use this code, you'll be able to actually find these outfits. If you see these outfits and you're like, oh my gosh, this looks so good on her. So if you see something you like on me, y'all, when I tell you these outfits were not tight at all, they weren't tight at all. They all had some type of a stretch to it. All of the outfits that I showed you, they were super comfortable. So if these outfits were your style, or if you see something that you like, go ahead and shop the look. Use this code. There are so many other outfits that I got that I can't wait to show you in the next one. But I want to know what you all think about the outfits that I did show you all. Which ones are your favorite and which ones would you actually wear? If you'd like to shop any of these looks, make sure you search this code on SHEIN. I'll also have it in the description and pinned comment below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.